Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
87 degrees the air temperature. It is warm out there, and it's a little on the humid side too with a 74-degree dew point, 65% relative humidity. Calm winds right now. We'll see them start to pick up out of the west, and that will carry the showers and thunderstorms into inland areas this afternoon. A lot of sunshine, some fair weather clouds as well. More clouds in inland areas than along the coast. 88 Myakka, Arcadia, 87 Wauchula, 87 Lakewood Ranch, Bradenton Parish, Sarasota. 89 degrees in Venice and 87 degrees in Inglewood. The hot spot comes in at Punta Gorda, which has 91 degrees. The cool spot, Longboat Key, coming in at 85. I think today we'll probably top it out at around 92. I think that's a good ballpark figure. We'll have about a 10% chance of showers at that point near the coast. Inland, the rain chance will be higher. You go east of the interstate into eastern parts of Hardee, DeSoto, Highlands County, I think, you'll probably have more like a 40 to 50% chance of showers as the general westerly wind flow begins to develop, establish, and push the showers into those inland areas. By 7 o'clock tonight, things will be quiet. I don't expect to see too much rain shower activity really most anywhere. And then into the overnight, things look pretty good as well. By the way, speaking of overnight, tonight you'll see Saturn as close as it gets to the Earth. So the viewing should be pretty nice, actually. I think we'll have fairly clear skies during the overnight tonight. The only problem is it's low on the horizon. It's about 7 degrees above the horizon. So unless you're above the tree line, you might have a hard time seeing it. But if you are above the tree line and you have a nice view of the southern exposure, why, then you'll be able to get a pretty good picture of Mars, Venus, and the moon out there about 10 degrees above the horizon. There are your few scattered showers, by the way, and as I mentioned, none of them really too terribly heavy. We have some running along Bee Ridge and Clark Road heading out east toward really kind of unpopulated areas. As we look at the satellite view, you can see we're going to have plenty of sunshine around across the state of Florida. That's going to help get things going this afternoon in inland areas. But really, the chance of any kind of heavy rainfall today is basically going to be focused into inland areas this afternoon. And along the coastline, I just really don't think we're going to see much. The East Coast will be favored for showers over the course of the next several days, thanks to a westerly wind, which we'll discuss more about in the second half hour. Southwest wind turns west at about 5 this afternoon. Very light flow. Look for 2-foot seas, smooth conditions on the waters. Nice day for boating. Couple of days in the 90s with minimal chances of rainfall, mostly in inland areas. And then maybe we'll up the rain chance just a little bit on Friday as the high continues to sink a little bit further south. Moisture starts to return, and a trough of low pressure enters North Florida. Rain chances will also be up over the weekend, and by the beginning of next week, we'll trim them back down just in time for the 4th of July. Back to you.